Asking for help. Dialogue A. Irene approaches her colleague Tim at his desk with some papers in hand.
Hi, Tim. Do you have a minute?
Of course. What is it, Irene?
Well, our boss just asked me to create the quarterly sales report. Since I'm new at the company, I'm not sure what the preferred form to present the information is. Do you have any advice?
The person whom you replaced usually made a pie chart along with a PowerPoint presentation that went into detail with the figures. You could do the same thing.
Okay, I see. Is using a pie chart a requirement, or could I use a bar graph?
If you want to use different graphs, I'm sure that's fine. Just make sure it's easy to see the differences between the sales.
All right, I think I'll probably just use a pie chart since that's what everyone is used to.
Sure. One thing to look out for is not to make the presentation too long. If it is, everyone may start to nod off. That happened during the last quarterly report.
Oh gosh, how long should it be then?
15 minutes tops.
Okay, I'll start putting it together now and let you see it when I'm done. Thank you for the pointers.
No problem.